You've been taking creatine maybe for weeks or even months, but you're not seeing the results that everyone promised you would be seeing. No better pumps, no noticeable strength, no extra recovery. So what's going on? Hey everybody, welcome back to Fit After 50. In this video, I'm counting down the 7 biggest reasons your creatine might be letting you down. And I'm saving the most important one for last, so stick around. I want to make sure you hear all 7, especially if you're over 50 like me. Let's jump right into it. Number 7, if your creatine is letting you down, you may be using the wrong type of creatine. Let's start with the basics. Not all creatine is created equal. There are dozens of flashy versions out there, but the only one you need is creatine monohydrate. It's the most studied, it's the most effective, and it's the most affordable. If you're not using pure monohydrate creatine, why don't you go ahead and switch now and give it a full 3 to 4 weeks to saturate, then see what happens. The next reason you may not be seeing results from creatine is you're not taking it daily. Creatine doesn't work like caffeine. It's not a pre-workout. You don't feel it kick in right after you take it. It works through daily saturation. If you're only taking it on training days or you're skipping here and there, you're never fully loading your muscles. Take it every single day, workout or not. I take 5 grams every single day, no exceptions. Another reason you may not be seeing creatine working for you is you're not eating enough protein or carbs. Your muscles need fuel to grow, not just creatine. Without enough protein to repair muscle tissue and carbs to support energy and recovery, creatine can't do its job. So creatine is getting blamed when actually your other macros aren't where they should be. So after 50, undereating is common. Make sure you're getting at least 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight and a healthy mix of carbs to support your training. Another reason you may not be seeing results is you're expecting creatine to be some magic pill, but it's not. Let's be real here. Creatine is a supplement. It's not a miracle. If your training isn't intense, consistent, and progressive, no supplement is going to save you, especially us older guys. Our results come from showing up week after week and training just shy or to failure. Then let the creatine support that recovery and that strength. Another reason you may not be seeing results is you simply gave up too soon. This one trips up a lot of guys. You didn't give it enough time. Creatine takes 2 to 4 weeks to start making a difference, especially for the older guys. It's not instant, and you won't always feel it. The key is to stay consistent, track your strength, and look for small improvements in recovery and performance. The number 2 reason that you may not be seeing the results that you're looking for from creatine is you're older and your response may be slower. Let's talk age for a second. As we get older, our creatine stores are naturally lower and our muscles don't respond quite as quickly to supplementation as they did when we were younger. But that's not a bad thing. It just means creatine might take longer to saturate your muscle tissue and you may need to stay patient and stay consistent. The payoff for the creatine is still there. It just takes a little more time after the age of 50. The number 1 reason that you're not seeing results from creatine that I believe is the biggest reason and why it's saved for number 1, you're not drinking enough water. Creatine pulls water into your muscle cells. That's part of how it helps with strength and size. But if you're even slightly dehydrated, it can't do that efficiently. Plus, being low on fluids can lead to cramping, slower recovery, and even fatigue. You should be drinking at least 80 to 100 ounces of water per day. More than that if you're active, if you're sweating, or if you're in the hot weather. And most of you watching this are active and you are sweating. And so I would tell you 3 to 4 liters per day would be what you would need when doing creatine for proper hydration. So drink the water, guys. Make sure you spread it out throughout the day, but drink plenty of water. Most people don't realize they're not getting enough water, and this is causing your creatine to be of no value to you whatsoever. If you don't see creatine working for you, don't throw it out just yet. Fix these 7 things, especially your hydration, and then give it a few solid weeks. When creatine is used correctly, it's one of the best supplements at any age. It supports strength, brain health, and recovery, all things we need, especially as we age. Okay, that's all for this one. I hope this checklist has helped you out. And until I see you on the next video, you go get fit.